What are 5 ultimate AI presentation tips? How can you use AI and ChatGPT to create and deliver greater speeches and presentations? So by the way, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. The first thing you can use ChatGPT and AI for to upgrade your presentation is to upgrade your key message, right? Very, very simple. You gotta have your key message ready, and then you give it to ChatGPT. And you tell ChatGPT, this is my key message for my presentations. Now give me 10 improved versions. And the beauty of it is so quick. It's so great. Yeah, the results are usually very, very nice as long as you give enough explanation about the key message and you feed it in, and then you can just pick the improved version. Yeah, it works like magic. So here's a quick example. We're now in ChatGPT. Yeah, you go down here, create a new chat, and magically I've already done it. Okay, here's one example. So I write, give me 10 better and more interesting versions for the key message for my presentation titled, How to Find the Best Employees to Work for Us. Boom, you click figure it out for me. Certainly here are 10 alternative and more captivating titles for your presentation. Unlocking talent. Strategies for top recruiting top-notch employees. The art of attracting A players. Strategic hiring beyond resumes. Can you see it immediately? Can you see how many great titles with one button click within a few seconds AI ChatGPT came up with? Phenomenal. Use it for all your presentation titles and key messages. The second way to use it is to really ask ChatGPT to plan your entire structure for your presentation. Yeah, so you give ChatGPT enough information about what is the topic, what is your presentation about. If you want, you can feed your script in as well. Okay, and then you ask it, give me the ideal structure. What would be the ideal outline? Yes, in most cases, you want to do it before you've written the script already, but in case you have already done it, you can feed it in as well. But ChatGPT will give you a version of a great outline and great structure. And you can ask for multiple, by the way. So again, back in ChatGPT, how can we upgrade your structure? Ba-bum! I've already written it. Give me a structure for a presentation with a key message. Again, the key message that we chose. I liked the art of attracting A players, building your dream team. Boom, let's hit the click button. Slide 1, title, introduction, define A players, recruitment challenge, crafting your employer brand, entire job description. Again, it gives me a lot of examples of what I can use. You see 15, 16, 17 slides here. Does it mean I have to pick all of them? No, but this is a great start to look from. Maybe out of the 15, I'm going to pick 7, 8, or 9. Yeah, and half of them I would have never thought about. Okay, so it's really fantastic. So use it for structuring, for outlining ideas. Tip number 3. Use it for researching, for facts, for examples, for stories that you can really use in your speech, in your presentation to upgrade it to the next level. Yeah, it works so beautifully. All you have to do, you have to tell ChatGPT, here's my topic, now about this topic, maybe the structure and the outline as well. Give me examples, give me stories, right? Find me facts. Now here's the key though. It is where most people say, oh, ChatGPT is terrible, AI doesn't work. You gotta tell ChatGPT to give it the sources of the facts that it finds for you. Because ChatGPT sometimes makes up stories, okay? So you gotta get the sources and then you gotta double check. But I gotta tell you, if you watched one of my former videos as well, even if you hire a research assistant, you still have to double check because they make mistakes as well. So feed it in, get the facts, get the stories, get the examples, but make sure you double check all the sources. Back in ChatGPT, all right? So how can we find facts? Well, again, I've magically, I've written it all out. So you could write something like, research 10 facts for the presentation topic, again, the art of attracting A players. Give me the sources with links of all the facts. Okay? Hit the button and boom, there it comes. Okay, and then I said I have some don't have direct access to the internet, but it gives you all these examples, all these facts. It gives you the links to sources here as well. Again, you have to double check everything, okay? And one more time, am I going to use everything? Am I going to use everything from in here? No, right? No. But I might. High turnover cost, the cost of replacing an employee can range from 16% to 213%. Again, you can use whatever you want. Also, by the way, another way to do it is to use the structure from before. Once you feel this is the final structure, and then say, okay, give me for every single slide, give me a fact that I can use in my presentation. Again, double check the facts. Number 4 is script and language improvements. Yeah, the beauty is you can take your entire script, you can take all your contents, you can feed it into ChatGPT and you can ask it to improve the language. You can do the same thing, by the way, with Grammarly. What I really like about ChatGPT, you can tell it to take your contents, rewrite it in a better way. You know, make it even better. That's the beauty of it. Yes, you can feed it in, tell exactly what it's about, and then ask it to write it better. Now, this is especially great, by the way, if English is not your native language. Hey, me too. Okay, it can help you with that as well. So feed it in and ask it for improvements. And we're back in ChatGPT. So how can it help you upgrade your language? Again, you could feed the whole script in here. Here's a very quick example. Ta-dam! So rewrite the following contents in a more professional and influential way and add 5 great benefits afterwards. Yeah. So here I wanted to rewrite a few sentences and then I wanted to write a couple of ideas as well. We would like for you to work for us. Working with us can give you many benefits. Here are 5 of them. Yeah, very basic, not great English, but again, many of my clients from many countries that are non-native English speakers, they have these challenges. So we click the button and let's see what ChatGPT comes out with, right? We invite you to consider joining our esteemed organization. Collaborating with us offers a multitude of advantages, and here are 5 compelling benefits. By the way, if you feel ever it is way too professionally written, yeah, then you write, please rewrite this in a professional and a little more casual way. Yeah, then it will go probably 80% the professional way, but 20% you have the casualness also. Yeah, again, select the tone that you want it to write in, and it will do that just for you, and it will fix all your grammar and whatever. Yeah, all the words that you might have used wrong, it will do that. And number 5 is help with slide design. Yeah, and there are really 3 ways to do it to create more stunning slides with the help of ChatGPT. One is inside PowerPoint. Yeah, you can use the designer option. Okay, I'm going to share a photo here with you. You should see it on the screen right now. That's the first thing that you could do. The second thing you can do, you can ask ChatGPT, okay, here's my contents, here's my outline. For each of these parts, what specific images, photographs would you suggest that I get? Yeah, and it's usually ChatGPT, AI is very good at giving great examples here. Not always. If you don't like something, you can ask, give me another example. All right. And the third way you can really use it for slide design, you might know this already, yeah, but you can create your own images using AI. And there are so many AI apps, AI softwares out there. I'm not going to go into detail, but you can create something also based on what you need and what you want. So in that case, follow step 2 first, ask for something specific, and then jump to step 3, okay? And then create your own images that work best for your presentation. And we're back again in ChatGPT. Yeah, so how can we use it for images? You can type in, what images could I use for a presentation with the topic, the art of attracting A players? You hit your button and let's see what it comes up with. Yeah, so it tells you have pictures with high achieving professionals, team collaboration, right? And so forth. Sorry about that here. Okay, right, growth and development, recruitment channels, okay? Now here's the thing too, here's what I like to do. I look at this. This is the predictable stuff. Yeah, this is the predictable stuff. So I will say, give me 10 more image ideas for the topic that are unique, surprising, and unconventional. Now let's see what it comes up with. Yeah, a fishing net with talent, a maze or labyrinth, right? A magnet pulling in stars, a puzzle coming together, butterfly emerging from. So see, the ideas are getting better. So you always want to ask for something unique, something special, especially when it comes to the photographs, to the images that you're thinking about that you want to use. And lastly, a little bonus tip here, all right? Ask ChatGPT, ask AI, how can I make this presentation, and again, you give it the topic, you give it some details, how can I make it more interesting and more interactive for my audience to really enjoy the presentation and make sure it's a success? All right, and let AI surprise you, okay? Let it give you some great ideas. And in the end, what you're gonna get is some unique ideas, some different things that you can do that you didn't think about, yet you didn't think about at all, that it's gonna give it to you. And again, not everything will be amazing, not everything will be gold, but all you need usually is like 1 or 2, maybe 3 things to really take your presentation to the next level. So ask AI, it will give you the answers, and then pick the best one for you. And back to ChatGPT one final time. So you can put in, how can I make my presentation with the topic, the art of attracting A players, more interesting and exciting for my audience? Give me 10 examples. Boom, we hit the click button. What will it come up with? Okay, storytelling, interactive quizzes, visuals, infographics, video testimonials. Again, see, many great ideas. Expert guest speaker, right? Could be an expert guest speaker live, or could be an expert guest speaker over Zoom. Never know, right? Again, it gives you all these ideas. All you usually have to pick from is like 1, 2, or 3 to really make your presentation a great, great success. So use it. Yeah, let it give you ideas. So comment down below one time which of these 5 or, well, 6 tips work really best for you. What will you apply immediately? What was your greatest takeaway? Yeah, by the way, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button. And most importantly, I really look forward to seeing you for the next video.